58 Surah Al Mujadala. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Indeed, Allah has heard the statement of her that dispute with you concerning her husband and complains to Allah, and Allah hears the argument between you both. Verily, Allah is all hearer, all seer. Those among you who make their wives unlawful to them by zihar, they cannot be their mothers, none can be their mothers except those who gave them birth. And verily they utter an ill word and a lie. And verily Allah is of pardoning, of forgiving. And those who make unlawful to them and their wives be zahar and wish to free themselves from what they uttered, then is the feeling of a slave before they touch each other, then is an admonition to you, and Allah is well acquainted with what you do. And he who find not must fast 2 successive months before the both touch each other, and he who is unable to do so should feed 60 miskin. That is in order that you may have perfect faith in Allah and His Messenger. These are the limits by Allah, and for the disbelievers is a painful torment. Verily those who oppose Allah and His Messenger will be disgraced as those before them was disgraced, and we have sent down clear ayah, and for the disbelievers is a disgracing tournament on the day when Allah will resurrect them all together and inform them of what they did. Allah has kept account for it, while they have forgotten it, and Allah is witness over all things. Have not seen that Allah knows whatsoever is the heavens and whatsoever is on the earth? There is no najwa of three, but he is their fourth, nor of five, but he is their sixth, nor of less than that or more, but he is with them. Howsoever they may be, and afterwards on the day of resurrection, he will inform them of what they did. Verily, Allah is all knower of everything. Have you not seen those who were forbidden to hold secret, conceal, and afterwards returned to that which had been forbidden, and conspired together for sin and wrongdoings and disobedience to the messenger? And when they come to you, they greet you with a greeting wherewith Allah greets you not, and say within themselves, why should Allah punish us not for what we say? Hell will be sufficient for them, they will burn therein, and worst indeed is that the destination. O you who believe, when you hold secret conceal, do it not for sin and wrongdoing and disobedience towards the messenger, but do it for al-birr and at-taqwa, and fear Allah to whom you shall be gathered. Secret conceal is only from Shaitan in order that he may cause grief to the believers, but he cannot harm them in the least, except as Allah permits. And in Allah let the believers put their trust. O you who believe, when you are told to make room in the assemblies, and when you are told to raise up, or for any other good deeds, rise up. Allah will exalt in degree those of you who believe and those who have been granted knowledge, and Allah is well acquainted with that you do. O you who believe, when you consult the messenger In the private, spend something in charity before you private consolation. That will be better and purer for you. But if you find not, then verily Allah is far off forgiving, most merciful. Are you afraid of spending in charity before your private consolation? If then you do it not, and Allah has forgiven you, then perform salah and give zakat and obey Allah, that Allah and His Messenger. And Allah is well acquainted with what you do. Have you not seen those who take as friend a people upon whom is the wrath of Allah? They are neither of you nor of them, and they swear to a lie while they know Allah has prepared for them a severe torment. Evil indeed is that which they used to do. They have made their oath a screen. Thus they hinder from the path of Allah, so they shall have a humiliating tournament. Their wealth and their children will avail them nothing against Allah. They will be dweller of the fire to the dweller therein forever. On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together, then they will swear to him as they swear to you, and they think that they have something. Verily they are liars. Shaitan has overpowered them, so he had made them forget the remembrance of Allah. They are the party of Shaitan. Verily it is the party of Shaitan that will be the losers. Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they will be among the lowest. Allah has decreed, verily it is I and my Messenger who shall be victorious, and verily Allah is all powerful. Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they will be among the lowest. Allah has decreed, verily it is I and my Messenger who shall be victorious. Verily Allah is all powerful, almighty. You will not find any people who believe in Allah and the last day, making friendship with those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they were their fathers or their sons or their brothers or their kids. For such He has written faith in the hearts and strengthened them with ruh from Himself, and He will admit them to gardens under which rivers flow to dwell therein forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they with Him. They are party of Allah. Verily, it is the party of Allah that will be successful.